Digital Marketing Institute is a certifying body founded in the USA by several long-standing marketers. We have years of experience in business, marketing, and more, and have put forth our combined experience to develop the Digital Marketing Institute. The third subcourse in Licensed Digital Marketing Expert covers high-level concepts in marketing, those useful in practical situations, such as positioning yourself strategically in a market, handling reputation by dealing with criticism, and stabilizing dire situations which may affect the well-being of the brand. Through this, you'll learn how to position yourself in the market for the greatest returns and marketing opportunities, how to stabilize and control dire situations that may otherwise damage the reputation of the brand, and how to build reputation and consumer confidence in your brand through communication and management. You'll be able to make yourself known through your markets, bolster your reputation, and keep it. This course was created with the marketers in mind, who are in charge of handling very high-level, critical brands. This covers the final aspects of digital marketing to prepare you for any situation you may find yourself. For more information on this course and others, visit us at www.thedigitalmarketinginstitute.org. Always striving towards digital skills for all.